Recording.
Hi, welcome to CAD 222 Mechanical Design. My name is Mr. Johnson. This video is your introduction to the class. This class is going to cover springs, cams, and gears, things you find in transmissions and in engines. First of all, let's look at our syllabus really quick right here. As you can tell, our syllabus does my name. This is my contact number. This is my email address. Description of the class. It's a 4 credit hour class, 3 for a lecture and 1 for the lab. Here is the book that we're going to use. It's a technical drawing and engineering communications book. We'll get more into that in a minute. This is how it's graded. This is how I'm going to grade your assignments. Your assignments are worth 75%. Your discussion boards are 5%, and your tests and quizzes, which you're going to have a final quiz, it's worth 20%. And down at the bottom talks about your ADA, that's anybody with disabilities, and where they need to contact. Of course, the code of contact, code of student conduct doesn't apply so much for online classes. This is a distance learning class. Always check your KCTCS email account. There's always something in there that's usually important. Sometimes I'll send things into that email also. Right here is what the book looks like. Technical drawing and engineering communications. So you can see it's the 6th edition. Here's your authors across the bottom. We're going to focus on this class. We're going to focus on chapter 14. We're going to start with springs. We're going to work our way through to cams, and then we're going to work our way to gears, which is chapter 16. We're going to do a little bit in chapter 17, but we're just going to very lightly touch that. So let's go online here. Let's go onto the computer. Let me show you how to access the Blackboard. Of course, you want to go to your Internet Explorer, or as some people like Firefox. I also like Firefox. Let's go into Blackboard. Okay, we're going to type your username and password. Okay, you should have a module set up that I've set up for you. It's called CAD 222 Mechanical Design. Just click on it. Okay, and it's going to take you to the announcement pages. I want you to look at the first announcement, which is a welcome announcement. Okay, that'll be sent out to you prior to the class opening. There is also a couple of other announcements we'll talk about shortly. But first of all, you want to look at this column here, and you want to go to startup where it says open first. Okay, now this is your first instructions and assignments here. Here's your syllabus, the one that we just covered. You just click on it and go to open, and it'll open or save, and it'll save onto your local drive. First of all, I want you to go to your student information sheet. We're going to click on that really quick. We're going to open that up. Okay, inside of here, I want you to put your name. Okay, it opens up well in Microsoft Word. Okay, and then I want you to save that. All right, and then send that to me. Okay, I want to know a little bit about yourself, your home, your mobile, your email, alternative email, degree plan, any hobbies, music, stuff like that. All right, so you can attach that. You submit that underneath the drawing template assignment folder. Everything gets submitted underneath this link right here. All right, this is the startup instructions that I added. I want you to open that up, and inside of that will be your startup instructions. This is a video introduction, all right, which we're shooting right now. Sometimes it doesn't open up very well in AutoCAD, in Blackboard, and if it doesn't open up, all you have to do is copy your URL right here. Just do a copy and then paste it into your browser. So all of that, once you've seen the video introduction that you're watching now, you want to go to your information sheet, get it filled out, look at your class startup, and download your syllabus, and then go to your content supplement. Okay, inside of here is where you're going to find your drawing template. This is where you submit your information sheet. Alright, I've set everything up with 3 folders: instructions, teaching aids, and assignments. Instructions is going to have instructions for that particular chapter. It's going to pertain specifically to that chapter. Lesson 1, template instructions. Okay, it's going to tell you how to build a template. I want everything turned in using your template, which is a title block, and I also have a video that shows that inside the announcements. I think we've seen that. Teaching aids. This includes PowerPoints, videos, tips, and other resources. So you click on that. Excuse me. And you've got your title block template viewport. I did a video on that. Okay, and then you're going to have your assignments. You click on that, and inside of that you have your title block template and your student information sheet that we've seen on startup. You just click on these inside your assignment folder. Okay, if you want to write me any message, you can write me a message. Mr. Johnson, here is my let's go back to content supplement. Let's go to CAMS. Let's use this as an example. Assignments. Click on assignments. These are all your chapter 15 assignments. Okay, you want to do your review questions. Let's go to the 15.1a and 15.1b. This is your due date. Just click on it. Okay, once you get it done, you can type, like I said, whatever message you want in here. Alright, then you want to browse your computer, use the attached file, browse your computer, go find it wherever it's at, and then attach it. Hit open and it automatically attaches it. And then at the bottom hit submit. Okay? That's how you turn in all your homework. I will not accept any homework via email, basically because Blackboard does all my gradebook for me, and that's the way I have it set up. So you need to go through here in subsequent order. Do this one first. That's your information sheet and your drawing template. That's your first assignment. Okay. Chapter 14. All right. Chapter 15, 16, and 17. And then you'll have a final. Okay. So if you have any questions, look at your syllabus. Go ahead and download it. Either give me a call. It's 270-706-8675. Or shoot me an email. This class is taught remotely, but the lab is open here at E-Town from 9 to 8:30, around 9 at night. Thank you. This is Mr. Johnson, and this is CAD 222 Mechanical Design Distant Learning class.